What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, man. Give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well. Now, y'all know me, man. I don't do too much talking, man. Let's get straight into the review, man. Y'all saw the thumbnail. Y'all see the caption, man. Y'all see the title. Y'all know exactly why we here, man. Let's get right into it. Now, this isn't one of those crazy hype shoes that we've been seeing lately, but I like this shoe a lot, man. It's a Nike Dunk Low. The tag reads Nike Dunk Low Retro Premium, Mineral Slate Armory Navy. Size 12, man. This is a personal pair. Personal size, man. I did grab these with intentions to wear, man. Just a solid shoe, man. Just a everyday for me that it will be, man. Nice dark colors, and they're pretty cool, bro. Here we have the Nike Dunk Low Premium Mineral Slate, man. Armory Navy. Been seeing a couple of nicknames for it, bro, but that's it, man. That's the name of the shoe. Now, this shoe does have a lot better quality than a lot of the dunks we've been seeing lately. I'm guessing it because it has that premium tag on it, man. It does have some really nice leather on that navy part, on the Armory Navy. So around here, this will be what they consider the navy. This will be considered a slate, mineral slate colorway. But I like these joints, man. Nothing hype, nothing crazy, but it's just a really nice shoe, man. I like that slate color. I like the navy. I don't have a lot of blue in my collection like that. I got a couple of the UNC colorways that they've been releasing a lot of lately. So I do have a couple of those, but I don't have much navy or anything like this slate colorway in my collection, bro. But it's a solid shoe, man. I like dark color shoes, man. You definitely can get these off. It's a solid pair of jeans, man. Nice white tee. Nothing too crazy, bro. Nothing too crazy. But like I did say earlier, man, the quality is nice on these. I'm not sure if you can tell, bro, but that dark, that Armory Navy color, it's a really, really nice kind of pebble tumble leather. Just compared to all of the other dunks we've been getting with that really, really stiff leather, man, this one is pretty solid, man. Like I said, it wasn't really hype. I grabbed these joints from my local active athlete. So they always do a lot of first come, first serve, but they didn't even post these. I just happened to be riding around the city one day, and I decided to stop in, man, and I just decided to grab these joints, man. They had my size 12 in. So I was like, okay, let me do it. Let's do it. Let's grab these joints, bro. Now, retail on these joints is only 120 bucks, like 130 in Texas with tax. So it's nothing crazy, man, nothing too expensive. Even on the resale side, they're going for like 150 to 170 in the big sizes. It may be like right around retail in the smaller sizes. So if this is a shoe that kind of interests you, it definitely should be an easy grab, man, even like from your local resellers and resale shops. They shouldn't be that expensive. They'd probably be 200-ish in like resale shops, but if you find your local resellers and Facebook groups, they should be like around 150, no more than 160, 175, man. So this is a solid shoe for me. A really good Christmas present if you got those young sneakerheads that you don't want to buy a crazy expensive gift for, man. This is a good one, man. Like I said, it's dark colors, so you can get a lot of wears out of it. Has a black outsole, man, so it'll last, and they can really put some miles on it, man. You don't have to worry about them messing them up too bad, man. The premium leather will last a lot longer than the leather that we usually get on dunks, man, but it's a solid pair, man. Solid pair. Y'all let me know. Comment down below, man. Let me know how you guys are feeling about this joint. It's the Mineral Slate Armory Navy Dunk. A nice one for you, man. Would you cop this? Or would you just straight pass on it? Like I said, it's not a crazy hype shoe, man. Not expensive at all, bro. But this is a good one just to have in the collection, man. It's a good everyday wear. And like for your ladies and for your kids, it's not too big into sneakers, but they want a Nike Dunk and stuff like that, man. This is a good one for them, bro. This is a good one. But getting into a few more details of the shoe, man. It has that black Nike tag on there with the slate colorway in Nike, black tag with the slate writing. The insole is black as well with the slate writing, man. Just a really plain, really basic shoe. White midsole, black on that outsole, black on the back with the slate Nike, man. Just a really plain and simple shoe. Really straightforward, man. Nothing crazy. Nothing just crazy clean, crazy hype about them, but a solid shoe nonetheless, man. But that just about wraps it up for this video, man. I just wanted to give you guys a quick unboxing, man, a quick review, just in case you were thinking about grabbing these, man. You can go ahead and grab them off your resale apps, man. It won't be anything too crazy. But y'all comment down below, man. Let me know how you guys are feeling, man. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Until next time, on our next video, we got the Mineral Slate Armory Navy Dunks, man. Peace.